Hey guys, today in this video we are going to see how to install Blender 3D animation software in Windows. So first go to Google Chrome and search Blender Windows download. So here is our Blender. Download Blender. So you can see the download has begun. You can see now the software is downloaded. So go to the files. So this one is our software Blender. Double click on it and just press next here. Then press finish. So you can see this one is our Blender software. So let's enter into the software. So yeah, our installation is completed. Thanks for joining us.